The infamous fictional detective Agatha Parrott, don't laugh, it only encourages them, is working on a case and decides to invite each of the 4 suspects to visit her for tea. She'll invite one suspect on Sunday, another on Monday, another Tuesday, another on Wednesday. You're given this information. This was quite straightforward, wasn't it? I think every one of us got the right bipartite graph. So I can't remember what the question said. Hang on. Do we need to work through it? Yeah. It says, Beryl, the lovely Beryl, could come to tea on Sunday or Monday. Hooray for Beryl. Colonel Chapman, Sunday or Tuesday, but he's busy the other days. He's involved in the war game in question 6, I think. Dimitri de la Cruz, wow, could only come to tea on Monday or Wednesday. And Irina El Said could come to tea on Sunday, Monday or Tuesday. But we'll be away on Wednesday. There you go, we've done it. Draw up a bipartite graph, excellent. Agatha initially invites Beryl to tea on Sunday, Dimitri on Monday, Colonel Chapman on Tuesday, and poor Irina would not be able to come to tea. She'll be away on Wednesday. We've done our second bipartite graph. Hooray for us. Then it says, working from this incomplete matching, find the shortest, I'm even going to go back and do this. Where is it? Shortest possible alternating path. Let that be a lesson to all of you. So the shortest possible one is the one that we're looking for. We are going to begin, it says beginning with Irina to achieve a breakthrough. Right, so we begin with Irina. She could also be connected now. There's so many options here that we may actually either draw out all the paths or think a little bit ahead. Because look, if we go straight to the S one, S is currently joined to Beryl. Beryl could also be joined to Monday. That would take us to Dimitri, and Dimitri to Wednesday. That's quite a long path as we go around. Let's check the others. If we go straight to M, hang on, did I go to M before? That M currently connected to Dimitri. Oh, that's a short path, isn't it? That only bounces once across, so that looks like the best. T would take us to C. C could also be connected to S. That's got us into another long path. So the shortest path, the only one that is really quite short here, is if we go from E to, which one did I just say it was? M. M currently connected to D. D could also be connected to W. There's our breakthrough. Now when I've done this, I always like to then write this with the statuses changed. They don't really care that much about this. They're not that bothered about whether you start by writing that version, or either have no double or single lines anyway. It's just the path that they're interested in answering this question. So there we go. We've done it. So if we swap things round, then that means, what have we got from that? That means that Beryl, we haven't changed, so she's invited on Sunday. Colonel Chapman, we haven't changed, he's still invited on Tuesday. Dimitri, we have changed, he's now invited on Wednesday. And Irina, we have now included, she's invited on Monday. There we go, and that's it. Done. That answer, correct answer only, that was all you could have. So if you had a longer alternating path, which gave you a solution, it wasn't any good, because the question specified it being the shortest possible alternating path. So that was the thing about that one. Then, the final part of the question, there's lots and lots of words for so few marks here, it's ridiculous, isn't it? Before issuing, you look at this paragraph and you think, can I be bothered to read this for just 1 mark? But then you realise that the grade boundaries are sky high, so every mark, you can't afford to drop it really. Before issuing invitations, Agatha overhears Irina making arrangements to go to tea with the vicar one day. She knows that Irina will not want to accept 2 invitations to tea on the same day. Unfortunately, Agatha does not know which day Irina has arranged to go to tea with the vicar, other than it was not Sunday. Such an exciting life, isn't it? Agatha invites Irina to tea on Sunday, and the others when she can. After having tea with all 4 suspects, she considers what they've said and invites them all back on Friday. She then accuses the person who came to tea on Monday of being guilty. Who does Agatha accuse? Can we really be bothered to wade through all of this nonsense? Right. Well, we've decided that Irina is coming to tea on Sunday. So Irina's coming to tea on Sunday. What else have we got to go on? And the others when she can. Right. So what else have we got there? Well, if Irina is on Sunday, that means C, the Colonel must be on Tuesday, because that's the only other one that is possible on Tuesday. So we've got Irina on Sunday, him on Tuesday. That means Beryl, if she can't do Sunday, must have done Monday. So she's on Monday, and that means Dimitri must be on Wednesday. The one on Monday was the one that mattered. It's just 1 mark for writing Beryl. That's it. Beryl Batty. There we go. Got a mark for B. I wouldn't have given that. For 1 mark, after all of that, I would have insisted he'd written the full word and an essay about how she probably was guilty, because she gave this air of being so sweet and innocent. But anyway, they accepted just B as that's it. Ridiculous question. And that's Agatha Parrott solving crimes and saving the world 1 tea party at a time.